So guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a very raw video, like very raw video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead, make sure you hit that subscribe button and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to share this video. So I have been feeling so bored, like so bored, and I'm like, I think I need something to do during this time. So I went on YouTube and I started research like what are some stuff that I can do, and I like to make stuff. Like I like to go out of my way to do stuff that I see and I want to create in my own way. Don't mind the ear, don't mind nothing. Remember I did a raw video. So I went ahead and I discovered this art piece that I am going to try and make. I learned the process of how to create the art piece from art class at college, so I kind of have an idea how to make it work, but there's some concept that I'm going to need some help with, and I'm going to go and get some help with it, and yeah, I'll show you how the process go as we go along. So yeah, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up for raw content and creativity and effort. So let's go. So as you can see, I fetched this piece of board, like this thin piece of board, in the backyard, right where I rent. I am not sure if the landlord would need it or whatever, but you can see I fetched it. I did the axe, so whatever. As you can see right now, I have my ruler, I have a piece of tape, I have a tape, and I have this. So what I want the length of it to be, I want the width to be 12 inches, which is all of this ruler, and then I want the length to be 24. So I'm going to use this right here and measure it twice to get the two length size, which is 24 inches. So I'm going to get all that in and then come back and show you guys what I have done. So as you guys can see, I did went ahead and measure, right where you guys can see, whoa, something biting. I have my 12 inches right here, and I have my 24 inches, so I know where it lasts. So it's from here to right here, right? So, and I have the next 24 inches out here, and I have the 12 inches, and then I won't need this piece right here. So guys, I am back home and I got this done. I got it done at the woodwork shop. I went and purchased the material. This is not canvas material, this is calico, but it's something similar to it. So like normally when I used to do art at school, I usually substitute the canvas material for the calico. So yeah, we're gonna try it. So another thing that I think if you guys have the choice to get acrylic paint, get acrylic paint instead of the poster paint. I only have poster paint, and as I said, I'm just bored and I want to explore. That's why I'm going to use the poster paint, and I already have some dollar store paintbrush, $1.25. So yeah, so throughout the process of doing the art piece, I went on the road, right? I only go on the road when it's necessary, and I wanted some stuff. It's so bad to come on the vlog with me. It looks so bad. Look at my eye, them clean, made them clean. Wash my face, man, but Mother Nature stay. Nature stay and everything over there eye at once. Anyways, meanwhile, before I go start that, the curtain I'm blow open and this thing move now. Meanwhile, before I go start the painting, right? So I can just turn this now on vlog. I'm gonna put on, today I'm going to cook some pea soup, but I'm going to mix it. If I'm not dog a curtain, sure. So I'm going to mix I'm going to do pea soup. No, so could you hear? Tayurdo. I'm going to cook red pea soup with gungo, and I went on the road and I got 2 corn. But then doesn't like corn, Griffith don't like corn, so these corns are going to be put in the pot just for me alone. So yeah, so let me wash the pot because the pot was washed because food cooked yesterday, and then I'm gonna put the red peas to boil, so that's a go on. So I don't know if you guys were able to tell the difference with the stove, but the pannier can't come off. I try my best to clean the stove anytime me I clean it. Anyways, we're going to go in and add some peas to the pot we have right here. So as I say, gungo and peas. So the gungo is already cooked and in the freezer because we normally cook them and put them up. So I got I should put the pieces so you know. Anyways, because it's a vanilla making. Anyways, we're gonna boil a little amount of peas, put it on the stove, and go start the painting. So yeah, that's what's up right now. So guys, as I'm sitting here outside, ready to about to start the painting, you know, I just reflecting on the fact where on the last clip I was saying that where we rent is like it's a furnished place. You know, we get the regular dresser bed. That's it, dresser bed. We get one little table, and then the kitchen supply like the stove, the fridge. Yeah. And we just met home. At some point, I'm so, you know, I'm just grateful that I'm here regardless of what's going on out in the world. But at some point, I'm really thinking, I'm like, why couldn't this happen next year when we graduate from school? September. I feel so bad about the clip. Look how me look. Jesus. Don't fight me for your look, yeah? And I'm saying, you know, we would be graduating May, which we still will graduate May, but we'll be graduating May, and hopefully that look to get a job September where, you know, we can able to start save and look towards buying our own furniture and all them familiar. And it just hit me that, you know, I really hope that this coronavirus don't allow job to become hard, teacher job to get hard to get, because it was really flushy in the other day. Lord, me look so bad. It was really flushy the other day, and I hope it's still flushy despite of whatever is happening. If we all survive this world crisis, we just have to pray and hope. And just I'm praying and hope that everything work out and we can start save and we can start get our own stuff, because I've been looking at so many stuff. You know, we have a whole heap of stuff, you know, because if we start to buy our own stuff, we have to start put out the owner stuff, right? Because our room is filled with a lot of stuff. And my boyfriend just said, when I start working and we own something, guys, my room now have no space. It just not up to the standard yet when me want it to be. So me come and say, okay, me get a tour, because a lot of stuff needs to be done. And I spoke to the landlord about it and whatever, right? Right. So yeah, so you know what, let's get into the painting. So guys, this is what I came up with thus far. The paint done. Other from the paint being finished, I think I kind of like this pacey, pale and bright look. So we're going to wait on it to dry, and then we see how there's some of the passing music can't afford that copyright over here. So we're going to let it the material seep it in, and then we see how it come out, if we like it or we don't like it. Oh, the material don't soak up too much of it, so we're gonna leave that for dry. Guys, as you can see, I placed the color that I want on it, and I'm going to fix it. Oh, it's supposed to fix it. No, make it. I'm going to let it spread and then show you how it spreads. So guys, this is the first attempt. So based on what I'm seeing, right, I think mess up in the middle. So when it coil, I'm going to try to go ahead and get the middle looking like the edge. So guys, let's say today I feel very creative and I'm in the mood. So I have the outline right here of this thing that I'm trying to make. I thought something similar to it online, but it wasn't done with sticks or anything like that, right? So see the outline of what I want to make. Yeah, I'm in the kitchen. Alright, and I cut out this frame right there because I want it to glue the sticks on it so the glass will fit in the middle. So when you get the concept, so I'm gonna make it and show now. Alright guys, this is what I took my day today to do. This piece right here. Let me know if you guys liked it. I turned it before I turned it like this, it was vertical. What you call it when you set the way here? The one you're horizontal right here, vertical way. I think if I say it go, it was that way. I don't know if I did like it. It looked more better the way here. Yeah, I really love it. Oh my god! You know what time I have to make it dry and go over it. What I want to do though, I wish I had something to like varnish it off to make it shine. I'm gonna try 2 takes. So I'm gonna take it off and carry it back outside to finish dry. So what I'm gonna go and do next is actually place them in the way that I want them to be in the order. Alright, let's do the cross T first. Alright. So we have an idea. Alright. And then we're gonna add filleting with the extras. Yep, filleting with the extras. As you guys can see, I went ahead and glue them with what you call it, with the glue gun, with the glue from the glue gun. So I don't know, my fingernail lagged, them still bad. So yeah, and then I glue them on like that, and then I go ahead and put on the mirror like so. Yeah man. Yep, and this is the finished product. So happy. Like the way it come out, I want to make another one to match it, but guess what, the gold paint done and the glue gun don't have no more glue, so I guess I have to just ride it until get the necessary stuff and I make a next one. Let me know how you guys think of it. If it got onto it, you can see now this is just excess glue. This can come off right here. See them gold? They're very gold because I painted it, right? Yeah, and this is just like a little white base, the little shiny silver something that I had that came with the mirror, and I placed it under it, you know, to kind of, you know, because I don't want the cardboard to show. So yeah, comment down below, like, let me know guys how I did. Oh, and I forgot to show you, just glue on one little something on the back to hold it up, because you can see it's a cardboard, it's very light, nothing. So I just glue it down, and yeah, I'm gonna find somewhere to put it. That's the final look for the painting right there, and the two war art. I did went ahead and made a smaller one.
There's nowhere you have aided and abetted enemies of the state. Arrest these traitors.